Welcome back once again. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I posted. I'm going to keep you updated on why I haven't been here, but for now, let's make this pineapple juice. I'm making it without a juicer, and I'm going to make two different consistencies because sometimes our kids like some juicy pineapple and some smoothie like pineapple. So today we are going to be making pineapple juice in two textures or two consistencies. So keep on watching, but before we go on, don't forget to subscribe as always, and also like my video, support Mommy's Yum to grow. My name is still Chioma, and this is Mommy's Yum. So I've got my pineapple here. I'm going to be using 2 pineapples for this. Got my lemon, and I'm also going to be using ginger, and then I'm going to be using honey. You can substitute honey for sugar if you want. And then I'm going to be using this star anise for my spice. You can use any other spice that you like. I like the flavor of star anise, which is the reason why I'm using it. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my pineapple before I cut them. So I'm going to cut off the back of the pineapple. And next I'm going to cut my lemon. I'm just going to remove the back. These lemons are almost getting dry. I've had them a long time in my fridge, but it still works. So all I'm doing is to just peel off the back. Lemon contains a lot of vitamin C, and pairing it with this pineapple juice is a good source of vitamin C for the kids. And as well as ginger. Ginger has some medicinal properties which are good, can help them to prevent cold and cough too. So all these are natural ingredients that are good for children. The next thing I'm going to do is to blend my pineapple, ginger, and lemon. If you notice, I didn't add any water, so this is why I said it's pineapple juice. It's not just a drink. There is not much or any water in this mixture apart from the water that I used to rinse it off now. Yeah, so that's it. And I'm using a sieve. You can see my sieve is a bit open. That way I'm sieving it in such a way that I'm going to get the pulp in it for the first batch of my drink. Yeah, so I'm sieving it in such a way that I'm going to get some pulp into the juice too. So as you can see, I'm just stirring and making sure that I get as much as I can out of it. And the remaining one is not all a waste. You can see at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what I did with this pulp, so don't forget to watch till the end. And if you are still watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up too, and also share when you finish watching and help support this channel. So I've got everything. You can see I've got as much as I can, and you can see my pineapple juice. You can call it pineapple smoothie if you want. Yeah, because it's a bit thick, but not too thick for someone not to drink it. So you can see that now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use a finer sieve to get the juice without the pulp. So you can see the sieve I have now is more finer, is tightly knit. So If you look, what I'm going to be getting is just the juice straining out from it. This will take a bit of time because I'm going to allow it to drain. So you can see it's just the water, if you can say that, or just the liquid. Let me say it's just the liquid that is coming out. And yeah, that's the pulp. I'm just trying to get everything out, and then I've got my second pineapple juice already. This is for kids that don't like the beets. I have 2 children and one likes beets and one doesn't like beets, so that is the reason why I always do it like this. The beets are definitely the best, I will say. Now I'm going to add my sweetener. Like I said, I'm using honey. You can use sugar if you want, but I always prefer honey for children because honey is also good. It's got a lot of medicinal properties for children and for us too. And that's why I'm using it. And just stir in as the quantity you want. As pineapple is already sweet, so you don't need a lot to sweeten it to be nice, you know. So that's what I have here. And now I'm adding my star anise, that's my flavoring, to one of the juices. I decided to add to one and leave the other one as it is. Pineapple is already sweet on its own, so you don't need to add anything. But if you feel like, you can add flavors to it: star anise, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla flavor, anything you want you can add to it, but really you don't even need it. It's just that I love the flavor of this. And that's it, guys. This is our pineapple juice, and if you have watched till the end, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Like I said, that's what I used the pineapple pulp to do. I made some muffins. I'm going to share the recipe later, and if you want to watch that, keep on looking out for Mommy's Yum video. Bye.